Okay, that's the Galaxy. That's part of Galaxy. That's one wing out of a pretty massive complex. But we're gonna walk in and we'll just show you what's inside. And we're at a Broadway casino, so we're gonna be going through this escalator, and then just showing you what we can see. All right, stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's where we're gonna start. Galaxy. Way down there is Type of Village, and this is Broadway. So what we're gonna do is leave the Broadway. Then we follow this. And they're everything's a little bit closed because it's COVID time. So sometimes I could go out there and film, but I think that's not, oh, it is allowed. Ooh, I'm gonna go out there and film then. So, okay, so there's the Galaxy. So now we can see it from outside. Oh, they're doing a lot of construction out here too. Yeah, a lot of construction. So you can see there's construction for this wing. This is how it's connected to the Broadway Theater. An escalator that can take you down. Yeah, and actually this keeps going, so it goes almost all the way down. And there's more cranes over there as well. All right, let's go back in. Okay, so we're gonna go back in, and there's our Broadway Theater. And then we're gonna put our mask back on. Okay, so this is the Galaxy Casino. So usually I go this way, and then so this one right here is all connected to the Broadway. So you can go back and forth between these two, and then there's some of the information, Broadway. But we're gonna go this way today, and we'll see how far I can get with the camera. I think last time I was in here they stopped me and they said I can't use it, and then I had to get permission, and it was kind of a big ordeal. And it's kind of a shopping space. Technically you're not allowed to go into the, to film into the, well, not technically, but you definitely are not allowed to film anything with the casino. So that's basically the reason they stopped me last time. I wasn't near it, but they saw me with a camera. And they weren't sure of the rules themselves, so I had to go through all the security stuff. That was maybe 2 months ago, so I've been a little bit shy to come back to the Galaxy and film inside. Cha Bay, that looks like a popular place. This is how big it is. We're here, and I guess I'm gonna, usually I go this way and I walk through all this stuff. But today I'm gonna try to go the other way and just see what happens. I usually never go this particular way. The Parada. So a lot of these shopping malls have a lot of these casinos have large shopping malls attached to them, and there's a basement, a ground floor, and a second floor. So let's see. It's pretty cool. I think there's a sale right now too. Let's go this way. I'm a little bit worried about the other way because it looks like that could be a casino floor. I don't want my camera to be confiscated. So they do all the scanners for COVID as well. So let's just keep on going down. Keep on going this way. So yeah, you'll see all these stores, Louis Vuitton. It seems like every casino has all these really high-end. I assume Louis Vuitton is high-end. Must be. It's everywhere in Macau. When I see counter space devoted entirely to, or window space. Calvin Klein. I don't know if that's high-end or not, but the way they have things spaced out in a very limited way implies it probably is. The fact that each one of those makes so much money that they don't even need to supply it with much stuff. Ports. Well, we could go down as well. It's August, it's COVID. As you can see, there's not a lot of people around. But there's some. The people that are around look like they're just kind of shopping. They don't look like tourists. They look like they're like you're in any city in the world, in a local place. I thought I was going down, but all the elevators go up the other way, where I have to backtrack, but here's one. So we're gonna follow that one in a minute. Okay, so that's actually the first story. That's 1881. So, okay. See, I pretty much never walk this way, so I think we're gonna go down at this space. I might learn something about Macau, about this casino. Usually I always walk the same direction, and now that I'm walking this direction, I think I see the food court straight ahead. I think over there to the right is the Marriott Hotel. Okay. So let's just see. Huh, okay. So we're gonna keep walking this way. I have filmed inside, so you're getting a different viewpoint of the galaxy. It's quite massive. I think it's going to be one of the most massive casinos in the world once all these different phases are built. Let's see, Passion. So let me just keep on walking here. So there's two different ways to go. There's this way or this way. Let's go this way. Active. Because these are the names of all the... Okay, so here's our iPhone store. Pro lobby. That's an entrance over there. So, okay. So yeah, there's actually this giant diamond that comes from the sky. I've filmed it before, so if I can remember, I'll try to attach it so you can see it. So jewelers. Swarovski, Kiehl's. Okay, let's see. This one says casino, so I don't know if we can go into that one or not. Galaxy. And over there is the casino grounds, so I definitely can't film in that space. But it's all covered up. I looked before I turned the camera that way. And here there's a Starbucks here. I think Starbucks looks popular. Pandora. Let's see. We're kind of getting near the food court, so you can see there's a lot busier up ahead. Okay. So yeah, it does feel a lot busier in this area. So we're gonna keep on walking and probably end this in a minute. We'll just keep going a little bit further. But yeah, a lot of people are coming for the food court. And maybe we'll end it over by the cinema. So yeah, there's a nice food court right in here. Oh yeah, usually pre-COVID this would be completely filled with people. There'd be so many people that would join you at your tables. So it felt like there's kind of a lot of people for one moment. But then I get over here and it's not at all. Granted, it is 5 o'clock. So that could be why as well. And straight ahead is a cinema, but it looks like it's been relocated, so we'll just see what it says. I think that's kind of shut down with COVID. Anyways. Oh, okay. I thought they were directing us to go up there, but I think it's just all shut down. Anyways. Yeah, actually when there was a typhoon here, almost everything was shut down. There was no water in the city. Or not, there was water, but a lot of places didn't have water. So just to drink water was kind of a mess. So there was very little places. A lot of restaurants can't open if they don't have water, but somehow McDonald's was able to open, so they had a line that went all the way down, and it was like way over this way. So it's like a line of like 60 or 70 people during this typhoon. It was about 3 years ago. I was living here as well. So okay, hope you enjoyed seeing the galaxy. I guess we'll end it looking at the food court. So hope you like that.
Chiquinha